Hi guys, I hope you're good. Today I'm doing a little Miniso tour and some Christmas shopping because jolly season. So happy there is Miniso in my city and they have all these interesting products as always. I was so impressed by their new perfume collection and I wanted to try them because they were only for rupees 360. There were 5 different variants at the store and each of them smelled so distinct and amazing, but the ones that I loved the most were Snow White and Nightingale, so I got them. Then I straight went to my favorite section. Even though I own a million of these, but there's always space for a cute plushie, and Miniso plushies are my favorite because of how cute and unique they are. I hugged a few because they're as usual soft as ever, and my plushie zoo needed some more and I got them for a great price. Lately, I've been obsessed with scented candles, and Miniso candles are so luxurious and affordable. Plus, they have tons of varieties to choose from, and I had to try some. Then I did a little more shopping and got a lot of stuff in a good price. So much stuff and it all came under Rs.6000. Merry Christmas to me! Hey guys, so मैं वापस आ गई हूँ after my little shopping spree at Miniso and now मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी what all I got today. So yay! So the first thing that I found was very impressive is the new range of perfumes from Free of Prejudice. It comes in 6 different variants and each of them have a distinct smell and fragrance notes. Their packaging is super cute and they are very affordable. They are only 360 rupees per pack. I actually tested all of them and the ones that really, attracted me the most were Snow White and Nightingale. So I'm opening Snow White. Okay, so this is how Snow White bottle looks like. These perfumes are a mixture of like many notes, and this one is mainly I'm really bad at fragrance noting or whatever, but I think this is jasmine, lavender, very flowery kind of scent. I can even smell orange in it, but this is actually really nice. Now we'll open Nightingale. This is how Nightingale looks like. It's a very yellowish clear perfume bottle. This one is very feminine and it has notes of coffee and flowers. I'm even smelling some rose. Both of them are so different and they're both like my style. So I really recommend these. Next, after perfumes, I got their very famous plushies. I already own like a lot of plushies. As you can see, I have so many Miniso plushies here and in Mumbai. Their plushies are always like so cute and soft. Look how soft they are, like so squishy and everything. And this one plushie is a cat plushie. I just saw this and I was like, this is what I want. It had a little tail behind it. I can use it as like a pillow or a cushion or just sitting there like a little kitty. Super cute and it's only 500 rupees. You know Miniso quality, it's always so nice. I genuinely really like it. The next item that I got is another plushie, but this one is much bigger. It's taking up the whole screen. It's a dinosaur plushie. It's so huge. It's so cute, so soft and fluffy and so huggable. It's a little angry dragon dinosaur thing and I got this for 1200 rupees. My mom and I have recently been obsessed with scented candles and especially Miniso candles are a steal deal. We already own like 5 Miniso candles. These are like our 6th and 7th purchase. They only cost you 199 rupees and the fragrance, the scent is so good and it fills up the whole room. I already have peach and apple, but today I bought different candles. This one is the pure jasmine one and this one is a lost coast. They also have these little doors in their boxes so that you can smell the candle. Actually, I'll show you how it looks from the inside. It has pure jasmine fragrance, you know, mogra flowers. It smells exactly like that. The next candle is the Lost Coast. I'll show you how this looks. It's a little bluish candle. It's so pretty to look at. It has like different shades of blue on it. It smells like a beach and some kind of flowers, and it apparently has 2 different type of fragrances, so as it keeps on burning the fragrance might change. This was also 190 rupees, by the way. So cool. And I got some makeup stuff. I got 2 lipsticks. These are their velvet matte lipsticks. I've already swatched them at the store, so like you can see, these are the 2 shades that I bought, one for my mom and one for myself. For my mom, I got this beet red, and for myself I got this orchid pink, which is kind of like dark pinkish shade, which is something very new for me. So I'm gonna apply that. They're actually really cool, by the way. It's been hours since I've applied them and they are not bulging. Like, then I got 2 nail paints for myself. One in this very wine red kind of color, and the other one in this sparkly snowy color. It's a glitter polish and I have already applied it. Like, I came home and I applied it so that I can show you what it looks like. It's actually so cute and subtle, just like how I want, and wine color is for winter. Like, it's a very winter color. Then I got this Bhat sponge or loofah. It's in the shape of an ice cream, so let's open and see. Look how cute! This is so cute. It has a little rope to, you know, keep it hanging or something. It was for 200 rupees, and it has these little heart-shaped sponges inside so that you can clean easily. Then I got their makeup wipes. I got them in 2 variants. I already have this one. This one is the aloe vera makeup remover, and this one is the lavender makeup remover. I will not lie to you, I already have one of these. This is the new one. This is my old one. It removes makeup in just 1 swipe, and you only need just 1 of these to remove all your makeup. It removes your mascara, it removes your matte lipstick and whatever. Just love them. That's why I got 2 more. 30 wipes for 150 bucks. They save your whole month of makeup removing. I also got this little bottle. I have like plenty of Miniso bottles already because they are very, you know, unique and stuff. So this one also caught my eye. It's like a little heart-shaped, cute little heart-shaped bottle. It's in blue color. They also had this in pink, but I like the blue one. It's a simple bottle. Great for drinking water and stuff. You can also keep like warm and hot water inside it. It's very useful for traveling. Plus, it's so cute. That's the only thing I want to say. And the last thing that I bought is for my own storage purposes. They have these amazing storage boxes. I already own a few, and these are the ones that I got. I'll show you how it looks like. So these are storage basket with Mickey Mouse on it. So it opens up like this. So this is the size of this basket. I'm gonna keep my like t-shirts and my pajamas that I wear at home. I got one more in a Minnie Mouse variant. That is the pink one. It's large enough to store your, you know, stuff. They're like really useful. I'm gonna keep all of this and this so that I can sort them out tomorrow. I also happened to get 2 mugs, these mugs, and I unfortunately left them at the store. You know, I'm so quirky and clumsy. I found out that the Miniso store called me and they informed me that I left my mugs there, but I didn't pick up the calls. So that's it, guys. That's all I got from my Miniso shopping spree today. They also have a lot of exciting Christmas offers going on right now, so you can definitely check them out and go to your nearest Miniso store and gift yourself and your loved ones all these cute little things. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please, for the sake of Mr. Dino, please leave a like on the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone. Take care and stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.